PataBid electrical estimating software. Bulk importing of breakdowns. So when you're working on an estimate, it is very common to have a tender form that you need to fill out. So if we take a look at a quick little tender form here, kind of concept, you'll have a usually Excel sheet, sometimes PDF, that the owner has issued with the bid opportunity. And they're going to want you to fill things out in here. So what we're going to do is show how to simply select all of these, right click, select copy, and then when we go back to Quantify here, we can open up the breakdowns. And in our electrical estimating software, we have multiple different breakdown buckets that you can assign your estimate to. And we're going to use the bid form one here. And when we click on the plus sign here, it's going to ask us for a breakdown name. However, in this case, we can simply right click and paste. And that's going to bulk import all of the lines out of the Excel template that was sent over. We can then hit save here, and all of that is going to show up now in our breakdowns. And we can start to do takeoff and assign that into the various breakdowns here. So if I were to take off a couple of receptacles here, throw 3 of those in, we'll see in here that they go into that breakdown item under bid form. And that is how we can bulk import various different breakdowns out of a tender form issued by an owner within Quantify electrical estimating software.